Hi everyone, welcome back to Project Renovation. Today's episode, we are in the midst of putting up our lights today, and I am going to DIY a Cove-Light. If you guys have time, it's a really simple one-day job. Do stick around, like, share, and subscribe. We'll get straight into it. One option is to build the Cove-Light out of plaster and stuff like that. But obviously, DIYers don't have access to such stuff. So what I'm going to be using is a 3x3 electrical trunking. This is going to form the base of my Cove-Lights. I've chosen to use these T5 light bulbs. I'll leave a link in the description down below where you can get these. LED strip requires drivers, it requires a lot of connectors, and for a DIYer that may not be for you. T5s are really easy. All you need to do is to connect one end of it to a 220 volt power source and you've got light. What you need is just a live and a neutral. You don't need a ground up there for now. Why am I wearing my sunglasses? So the lights that I'm using are about 1.5 inches. Yeah, wish me luck. I'm just gonna connect the light to make sure the light works and my wiring is correct before I seal it into the Cove. Haha! It works! The only reason why I'm drilling holes here is because I marked out the line, the leveling line on my wall, and these holes are going to sit on top of the line, so I need to see the line through the holes. But it's more for alignment purposes. So for a start, I'm using these drywall anchors. You can check them out on another video of mine. I teach you how to use these. But don't just go at it with screws. It won't hold. You need some kind of anchor to anchor it to your wall. Right now, this is drywall, so I have to use drywall screws. If you're gonna be putting it onto a regular wall, you probably need wall plugs or something. So to cut PVC, it's really easy. All you need is a bunch of shears, and that's gonna make a notch. This is where this is the hole where my wires are going to come out. This was concrete, so I had to use a wall plug instead of a drywall plug. You can tell the difference in a concrete wall. Yeah, this is concrete. And like a glove. Now once you're done, don't overcook it. Get it as smooth as you can and just walk away. Now after about 5 minutes or so, you come back with a brush, a wet brush or a rag, and you start smoothing out your plaster. Now the idea is to reduce sanding as much as possible, and what I'm doing is I'm just dissolving the top layer of the putty or plaster that I'm using, and I'm just smoothing it down and filling in any cracks, any holes that I can see, and smoothing it right across the top. Right, and so once you're done, there you go, you have your own Cove-Light. If you like that tip, like, share and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.